Good evening, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I've been working, y'all. I say like my nephew say, we've been working over here. We've been working. But listen, guys, I just stopped in. I want to share with you all what I'm doing over here, preparing for my fall season. So I filled up another one of my 100-gallon grow bags. I'm gonna share it with you. Also, I'm dropping seeds, y'all. It's about those seeds, yeah. And I want to share my lunch with you all. Yeah, sugar cane is a part of that thing. Oh, it was so good. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! 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 Let's get on with the video. Ooh. So this was the very first thing on my list for today. I had been procrastinating for a while, but this morning I was going to get it done. And this is what I'm doing. I'm filling up my third 100-gallon grow bag. And I'm just getting all the soils in. There's some peat moss, compost. There is topsoil. There is black tile in there. So I'm getting it together. All right, guys. So, yeah. This is my third 100-gallon grow bag. And it's filled. It's amended. This is the other one. This is the one I had my onions and watermelon growing in. But now they all gonna become brassicas, baby. It's gonna be a brassica thing. So, yeah, Ben is out here cutting grass before this rain comes because, yeah. Now, the plants I want to put in those beds, some of them are here and there, but we'll see. I haven't really, got the whole thing together. But one thing is for sure, they all will be filled. So this is the circle where my lemongrass is, and Ben is getting it together because it's just, woof, yeah. That rain and sun, that's what does that. But anyway, we getting it together. So there's my Brassicas, the coffee plants, and they're looking really beautiful out here. Look at those leaves shining. They shine like new money, huh? They love it under these plantain trees. They do love it. It's beautiful. They look really beautiful this morning. And this is the Bianca Rose, and she has one germinated eggplant, and oh, here it is. There's the other one right there. So she's doing good. She's really tall. She's in a 5-gallon container. There's 2 plants in there, and she's really, really big, really big. Beautiful plants. Yeah. So Benny's over there. If you can see him, he over there cutting grass. So we're gonna do this voiceover, okay? All right, family. So I am going to drop 5 seeds today. Well, 5 varieties of seeds today, and that is the purple bok choy, purple lady. Yeah, I just wanted to get some of these seeds dropped, and I'm gonna leave them right here in this bed. I'm gonna leave the cups right here and just let them germinate right here. And when it's time for me to plant them out, this is where they will be planted. So on this Swiss chard, I had a pin in my bag and it burst, and yeah, but I'm gonna drop my seeds. I don't think that's gonna do anything to them, but we gonna see because I'm gonna use my seeds. Yeah, but it's been a beautiful day. But yeah, the rain is coming. You could definitely see it, and that is some kale. Um, I have about I have that 1,000 head kale. Now I'm gonna put it in a raised bed on the other side of the garden. That's where they're gonna go. Yeah, and of course some tatsoi. And some of these tatsoi are gonna be in a bed where I grew them last season because they really get really big, and I don't want them to kind of drown things out, right? But and this one is a new seed, and that is the golden. That's that golden Chinese cabbage. I've never grown her, but hey, we're gonna give it a shot, and we'll see what's gonna happen. Now on these, there were seeds stuck to the tape, but y'all know I got my seeds down. But it's nice though. I'm just trying to get this done before the rain comes. This is in the Bab garden. This is a part of the Babs, and right here I'm just putting some 511 in this container. Yeah, and I'm just getting it all fluffed up. And this is what I'm dropping in this one, and this is the walking stick kale. Now family, this is my very first time with this seed also, and I'm looking forward to it. Now I have some seeds I dropped in a cup because I want to put them in another part of the garden also. Yeah, I want to put it in the ground, so we'll see. Maybe we'll see the difference between in the ground and in a grow bag. Yeah. Yep, it's raining as I speak. It's raining out here. Yep. But I want to harvest a piece of sugar cane. I want to cook this meal today for my lunch. And I need to get some. I need to get a piece of sugar cane. So let me see. This one here, she's so fat. But let me see, can I get her? But I gotta put y'all down. All right, so I just broke it, and I got this. I'm not gonna even need all of this, but I'm gonna get a piece of it. So now let's go in the kitchen. There is an eggplant plant, and I have 3 that I've seen so far. And there's more, but I want one of them. So this one is nice, but this one, I think I think both of them are the same size. But we gonna get her since she right here. Let's get her. All right, guys, wait a minute. All right, so let's go turn this into something delicious. All right, guys. So I'm bringing out my back door. Yeah. Getting that holy water. All right, everyone. And as you can see, I have 2 plates of food here. Say hello.
Hey everybody.
So she got home from school just in time, and she fixed these plates for us, and now we're gonna taste them. You ready, Jada?
Yeah.
All right. You want to say hello to everybody?
Hey everybody.
Uh, you had a
Yeah.
good day today?
This is my 3rd day of school.
Cool. All right. So we have some shrimp on sugar cane. We have some shrimp stew, some corn, green peas, and carrots. We have some, what is that? Oh, the butterfly pea flour.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else we have? Oh,
Some-
we have cheesy bread. Y'all know. If you know, you know. We have
And lemon for garnish.
some lemon wedges, and we have some basil from out in the garden. All right, let's try, Jada.
Yeah, I'm excited for this.
You excited?
Yep.
I want to taste a shrimp, man. That's mine, y'all. You ready, mommy?
Yeah.
All right. Oh. Oh. That's bomb. I want to try this sugar cane. So on the sugar cane, there's 2 shrimps on each one. I just knocked one off. But anyway. So what you're supposed to do is put it in your mouth and kind of chew the juices out of the sugar cane, but don't swallow the sugar cane. Take that part out your mouth, okay?
Good job.
Mmm.